Hello traders, are you looking for any forex strategies that actually works on any market conditions, whether choppy markets ranging bearish, bullish, whichever market condition that you can actually have in the market? All right, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 5 proven strategies that's going to help you in your trading journey. So if you're new to this channel, click the subscription button, turn on the notification so that you will not miss any other video I'm going to be dropping, because I'm going to be dropping back-to-back videos that's going to help your trading journey. All right, so what are you waiting for? Hey guys, welcome back. So the first strategy that works very well in any market condition is the breakout block. So this smart money based strategy works very well after liquidity grabs. What you need to do is to identify the breakout block after a false breakout. Then you look for price returning into the block. For your entry, you have to place your trade inside the block with tight stop loss. Now, this strategy works in reversals plus ranges. Now, for the forex pair that you need to use that this strategy works very well is your XAU USD and GBP JPY. We all know that XAU USD is gold. So this actually works on the 15-minute time frame. So you use your 15 minutes to actually take your trades. We all know that by now that most of the strategies that we use our 15 minutes time frame to get into our trade. So we go into the second one, which is what? FVG confirmations. All right, so how does it work? Now you use your FVG for entries during trending market. What you need to do is to identify a clean FVG during momentum. Then you wait for price to retrace into the gap. For your entry, you place your trade in the FVG zone. It works best in strong trends. Yeah, the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hours chart. Yeah, for the pairs that you need to use that works well is your US30 and Euro USD. So we move to the third one, which is what? Trendline liquidity. All right, I hope you're ready for that. Trendline liquidity. So now your trendline liquidity, you add it plus your break and retest. So what you need to do is to draw your trend lines across equal highs and lows. Wait for a break plus break of structure. Yeah, for your entry on the retest or the supply zone, that is where you get to enter. Your retest or a supply or demand zone, that's where you get to enter. Now it also works on your trends and reversal phases. So what you need to do is to combine nicely with your chalk, that's a change of character for early entries. So this is your third strategy. Then we go into the fourth one. The first strategy is your Wyckoff accumulation / your distribution. So how does this actually works? Now, when the market is choppy or consolidating, this is gold, real gold here. What you need to do is to look for classic Wyckoff phases. For your entry, you enter after a spring or UTAD with confirmations. This works best in ranging markets or at key zones. For the best time frames, you enter with your 15 minutes to 1 hour for your entries. Your fifth strategy is your Fibonacci premium and discount zone. So in case you don't know how Fibonacci actually works, what you need to do is to watch the video. I made a video on how Fibonacci works on this channel, so I'm going to tag it along with this video in the description below. All right, so go and watch it so you can know how Fibonacci actually works. So like I said, the fifth strategy is your Fibonacci retracement. So how does this actually works? Now what you need to do is what? You draw your fib from your swing high to your swing low. You look for entries in the discount zone. Your discount zone is 0.62 to 0.79 for buys. Or premium zone, you have 0.62 to 0.79 for sales. Yeah, you combine with OBs or FVG for confirmation. That's your order block and your fair value gap. Yeah, this is a perfect entry. It's a perfect strategy for scalping and swing trading. All right, so let's take a look at the quick summary of what we've actually talked about today. So the first strategy we talked about is the breakout block, FVG entries, trendline liquidity, Wyckoff models, and what's the Fibonacci zones. Which of these strategies are you excited to try? Drop your favorite below, or a strategy that you want me to talk about in my next video. All right guys, stay profitable. Catch you in the next one.